Hello my dear students, welcome back to online classes. In the previous class we discussed exercise 2.7. I think in this exercise we finished first main, second main, third main, fourth main. Only two mains are remaining. So listen, exercise 2.7 class 7th. So fifth main. Here also we have to divide the decimals. First one, 7 divided by 3.5. 7 divided by 3.5. So let us see, 7 divided by 3.5 can be converted into a fraction, that is 35 by 10. So 7 by 1 into 10 by 35. Okay, reciprocal. Last exercise ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ. 7 ones are 7 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s are, so which is equal to 2 by 1 or 2. Understand? Then second one, 36 divided by 0.2. So 36 divided by 0.2 can be converted into fraction, that is 2 by 10. So 36 by 1 into 10 by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 8s are. Understand? So then 18 into 10, 180 divided by 1. Okay, 180 divided by 1. So 36 divided by 0.2 means 180 by 1. Then third one, 3.25 divided by 0.5. So 3.25 can be converted into fraction, that is 325 divided by 100. So divided by 0.5 can be converted into fraction, that is 5 by 10. Then 325 divided by 100 into 10 by 5. So 10 ones are 10 tens are. Then 5 ones are 5 6 are 30, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. Then once again 5 2s are 5 ones are 5 3s are, so which is equal to 13 by 2. So this 13 by 2 can be divided. 2 6 are 12 divided by, so 3 minus 2 0, sorry 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0, then take point 10, then 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 6.5. Understand? Okay, or else make it, so nodi ಈ 13 by 2 ನ into 5 divided by 5 and multiply 5 ಮಾಡಿ, 13 5s are 65 divided by 2 by 2 into 5 ಅಂದರೆ 10. ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬರೋ ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6.5. ಸೊ ಈಗಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fourth one, 30.94 divided by 0.7. 3094 divided by 100 divided by 7 by 10. Then 3094 by 100 into 10 by 7. Okay, 10 ones are 10 tens are. Then so let us see, can it cancel? 7 ones are 7, then 7 fours are 28, 2 carry 29, 7 threes are 7, 7 threes are, sorry 7 fours are 28, yes 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 2 carry 29, then once again 7 fours are 1 carry 14, 7 twos are 14. Okay, so this is 442 divided by 10. Then no need to cancel each other. Then let us 442 divided by 10 ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 44.2. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ದೆನ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, 0.5 divided by 0.25. 0.5 divided by 0.25. So this is 5 by 10 divided by, so this is 25 by 100. Then 5 by 10 into 100 by 25. 10 ones are 10 tens are, 5 ones are 5 fives are, then 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 2 by 1 which is equal to 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದೆನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, 7.75 divided by 0.25. So 775 divided by 100 divided by 25 by 100. 775 divided by 100 into 100 divided by 25. 100 gets cancelled with this 100. Then 25 ones are, 25 threes are, 25 threes are 75, 2 carry, then 25 ones are, so which is equal to 31 by 1 which is equal to 31. Understand? Take down ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, seventh one, I think sixth one over, seventh one, 76.5 divided by 0.15. So 765 divided by 10, so divided by 15 by 100, because 2 digits, 2 zeros. 76 by 10 into 100 by 15. So 10 ones are, 10 tens are. Okay. Then 5 twos are, 5 threes are. Then 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6. 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. 1 carry, 3 fives are 15, which is equal to 255 into 2. 255 into 2 divided by 1. So which is equal to 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 510. Okay. Then so seventh one over. Then eighth one, 37.8 divided by 1.4. So 378 divided by 10 divided by 14 by 10. 378 by 10 into 10 by 14. 10 ones are 10. Then 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 1 carry. 2 nines are 18. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 18, 2 9s are 18. Okay. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 4 carry, 7 sevens are 49, which is equal to 27 by 1. So is equal to 27. Understand? Then ninth one. So this is the last problem in this main. 2.73 divided by 1.3. So 273 by 100 in divided by 13 by 10. So 273 by 100 into 10 by 13. So 10 tens are 10 ones are. Okay. Then 13 ones are, 13 twos are 26. 1 carry, 13 ones are 13. is equal to 21 by 10 which is equal to 2.1. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು 8 9 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು. ಸೊ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಮೇಲೆ 9 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅವೆ. ಲಿಸನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ 4th 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. Okay, next, last main, 6th main, and only one question is there in that main. So that is 6th question. So this is the last main in this exercise and as well as last problem in this lesson. So that is, here it is, one statement problem is there. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಲು 43.2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಇನ್ 2.4 ಲೀಟರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್. 2.4 ಲೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 43.2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಲಿಸನ್, 6th main, total distance traveled. Total distance traveled or covered is equal to 43.2 kilometer. Petrol taken or used petrol. So petrol taken is equal to 2.4 liters. So for how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? For 1 liter of petrol how much ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 43.2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2.4. ಸೊ 43.2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2.4. ಸೊ ಲೆಟಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ 432 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 24 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? 432 divided by 10 into 10 by 24. So this 10 gets cancelled with this 10. Then 4 8s are 4 1s are 0. 4 8s are 32. Okay. Then once again 4 1s are 4 0. 4 8s are 32. So then 4 8s are 24. Sorry. 4 6 are 24. Sorry. 4 6 are 24. Then 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. That is 4 carry. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Understand? So 18 by 1. So that is how much petrol for 1 liter of how much distance covered in 1 liter of petrol means. So 18 kilometer covers 18 kilometer covers in 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol. 18 kilometer covers in 1 liter of petrol. Okay, take down. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. kilometer covers in 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol. Understand? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಂಡೇ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಡೇನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಂಡೇ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 o'clock ಇದೇ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫೇಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Thank you.